Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read Yahoo Finance stock charts. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can see the stocks of the company on your home page just like this. Now tap onto one of the stocks just like this. Now to see the stock charts of this stock, scroll down and here you will find the option of analysis. Simply tap on it. Then again scroll down and tap onto the view more option right here. And finally here you can see the stock charts of the stock of the Apple company just like this. You can see all of the informations about the stock just like this. And that's it. This is how you can read the Yahoo Finance stock charts. Now do the same process to see the other stock charts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.